So if you've been following along in the order in which I've uploaded these, I already did a video on my morning skincare routine. I filmed this makeup look, although I will say I added a little bit of a shimmer right here in between finishing that video and starting this one. So a little bit of Color Pop Super Shock Shadow in Peekaboo right there. That's the only difference. And now it's time to do my hair. My hair is growing faster because I've spaced out my hair appointments, my color appointments, the same amount, and I could usually even go like an extra week, and now I'm about 2 weeks out, and look at all this. And there's some gray that I never noticed before, so that's cute. It's grown out so much. Alrighty, let's begin. So straight out, it's really, I'd say about 50% damp now because it's been sitting in that towel for a couple hours. I also had breakfast / lunch, break the fast, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to comb out the tangles and do a little heat protectant with the Redken One United. It has 25 benefits. I'm not going to list them, but just spray over. Then this is my newest wet brush. How cute is this? Came in a 5-pack. There are other color options, but I went with the pink one because I figured if I do that, people will be less apt in my household to steal them. But I've already gotten one missing. So I don't know if Michael or Shane swiped it, but. So if you have missed the last few videos and you have no idea what I am talking about, I am doing a daily December where I upload a video every single day in the month of December. It is not Vlogmas because 1, I'm not vlogging every day, and 2, it has nothing to do with Christmas. It won't stop on the 24th or 25th. We're gonna keep going till we hit 2021. Okay, that part is done. Now for the cocktail. I like doing a shot of the Living Proof 5-in-1 styling cream. I've decanted it into this airless pump because I love this styling cream, but the actual container it comes in is horrible. And then I do a pump of the Colin Rothschild. Hello. I do a pump of the Smooth and Shine hair serum from Colin Rothschild. So let's get that going. I run it under my hair. I have no, I don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of run it through. And then I kind of go like this. Hopefully this is filming. And then just make sure it's evenly distributed. Back with the wet brush. Just do it a quick run through. I've been flip-flopping between how I blow dry my hair. Some days I use this guy, most days. And some days I use the Bio-Ionic one. I do that more for if I just want to rough dry real fast and go to sleep. If I'm not sure how I'm going to end up doing my hair, then I tend to use the Revlon, because at least if I do nothing else, if that's the only styling I do, I actually end up with a style. All right, I am pinning up my hair, and I do it layer by layer. The last time I did this, the music was far too loud. I don't know why. Watching it back and editing, it was fine. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll link the video up here and down below and read all the comments telling me what a horrible YouTuber I am. Anyway, I am just gonna real quickly do this and we'll listen to some Christmas music while I go. So I did set it on high for that, then I go back and I do it on cool, just to cool everything down, and then we move on to the next layer. That's it. This is like watching paint dry, but it's hair. Then I just go to the next layer, using my thumbnails to section it off. And we do the same thing. I'm gonna shut this off and I'll get back to you when I get to the top because this is not entertaining content. So all the bottom layers are done. I just have the very top done. I do want to point out that when I finished that first layer that I showed you, it was 115. It is now 120. That's why I like the Revlon. Okay, so taking the top layer down, there's not a lot to it. And to be honest, pretty sure I'm gonna continue on with curling this so it doesn't have to be perfect. But all I do to get the volume that you guys ask me about all the time is just pull it straight up, rotate up. I'll show you a few of the layers. And then the front I do forward, and I kind of move things back and forth. Hair, I will admit, not my strong suit. I'm good at some things. Hair, I just kind of muddle my way through like the rest of you. It's trial and error. All right, let's get to it. $123. And I could easily, it's all dry. I could easily just leave it like this. I think I'm curling it. I don't know. I feel like curling it. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna pin up layer by layer and do some curling. I will admit that most days, most of the time I wash my hair, I'll wear it blown out the first day, curl it the second day. But I feel like doing the whole thing. Today, I'm gonna do the body waver because it's faster, and then if I wanna add more curl tomorrow, I'll go for the 1-inch curling iron version. Look at this bad boy. This is my oldest T3. I've had this one forever. This is sort of what introduced me to the brand. I have it set on between 3 or 4. It smooths everything out. You can have it at curl as you want. It's really just more of a wave thing. I've been using this, the Living Proof Flex Hairspray. It has heat protection. It sets shapes and finishes. It has medium hold, and the idea is it works on damp or dry hair. I've never tried it on damp hair because I just do a little, because I just did all that heat with the hair dryer. I think it's warranted. And then I'm just gonna take a chunk. Sometimes I brush it out, sometimes I don't. Take this guy. You can leave the ends out, but today I feel like I want more of a blowout look, so I'm gonna keep those ends in. See, it just adds a little bend. You'll see it more at the top. If you want to see how it looks like really curled, I suggest you follow Nashville Tash on Instagram. She uses this, but more to curl her hair. And so you can see the difference. And I don't leave it on very long either, just maybe 5 seconds. Some people like to start from the back and work their way to the front. I like to do it the other way around. So I'm gonna finish these layers, and again, when I get to the top, I will pop on back so you can see how I finish the look, so to speak. I just took my top layer down, and it's really not any different. I just section each piece off completely randomly. I think I'll make this a little thinner. Oh, you know what? Forgot to. Okay. Now I'm gonna break my bangs up into 2 bits. And say bangs, I mean, they're not really bangs. I'm thinking about growing these all the way out so I have no layers. I am on the fence on that. And with this, I literally just run it through and pull it out because I don't really want anything pronounced happening there. Run it through. And then I kind of do a twist to get it out. That is the key. If you want more defined pieces, definitely do smaller pieces and do that little twist thing at the end. I will try to do it in slower motion. So it's more beneficial when you're doing the waves, but so you twist it on itself. Instead of just releasing the clamp, you do There's gotta be a better way to explain it. I will think about it, and when I do my next one with the beachy waves, with the 1 inch, maybe I can figure out a better way to explain what I'm doing. Count to about 5. And then, instead of just opening and letting it go, I twist it around while it's still on the barrel. That's it, and then I release at the end. That's the key. Don't just unclamp it and release. Untwist it while the clamp is still closed and then release. That's how you get that little thing at the end. Let me grab my mirror so I can see if I've missed any spots. Nope, this isn't as key because I'm really not trying to make it curly. Just adding a little bit of bend, and then that's it. I'm just gonna lean to one side. It smells super good. That's it. That is just my, if I were gonna do the whole thing from soaking wet to blowing it dry to adding some kind of wave or curl, that's the whole thing. Keep watching every day in December. I will do more hair tutorials. The next one is more than likely gonna be where I use my 1 inch, which is all wrapped up. So I'll show you in the next one. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it, and hope you're having a wonderful December, and I will see you tomorrow.